Well, the reality is it starts with me. I must believe, and I believe. And if you're a Christian, then the word says, okay, that God lets everything work out for the good. So if you don't believe the Bible, then I can't help you. If you believe the Bible, it says that die Here laat alles ten goeie meewerk. So I believe that whatever the result is, everything will work out for the good. And people will probably say, well, now jump up and down. But the reality is, I don't know where the season is going to finish, but I trust and my faith is in God that He's in control of my life. He's always been. I can write a book about adversity, about so many things that I had to overcome and been in teams that to overcome them. I've lost 64-0 against the Brumbies and we went and played in the semi-final. I don't say it's going to happen this year, but I've been in teams that take a hammering and they turn it around. So why will I give up? So I will just make sure that the players don't give up, and it starts with me as a coach, the way I conduct myself. And I'm sure everybody out there, you know, has got testimonies of what they've overcome. Good thing is, Leicester, I watched a school kid broke his neck, and the people said he's never going to walk again, and now he's with crutches walking again, and he's studying, and he created a new life. There's a lot of people that has to come adversity. So I'm not going to let people determine my identity.